You know, I can drift this car, beat the shit out of it at the track, do autocross stuff, no problem. I want to drive to the local dive bar on a Saturday just to get a couple drinks with some friends. I can't do that, I guess. The diff. Yeah, she blew. Luckily, I was only about a mile away from home when it happened. And I've got AAA, so if you're a car guy and you don't have AAA, I don't know what the fuck you're doing. See, I've got another diff in this car. Nice exhaust, by the way. Really high quality. But I just got it running and driving, so I don't want to pull the diff out of a running and driving car for that, because I kind of want to get this thing done and like not have to worry about it. So I found a diff, but it's like 5 hours away, so this weekend I'm gonna go pick it up, get it welded, hopefully Monday or Tuesday, throw it in, and then I'm driving up to Brainerd to BIR for another drift event. Luckily, I've got some spare rubber left over, I think. Oh yeah. So we've got a set. Yeah, these are pretty, about half tread, maybe a little less, but that'll last a while for my car. I've got another set of tires there. And then I've got some brand new fucking, what are these, Skeptors on these stock wheels. Still plenty of rubber. Should be good. Now the smart thing to do with my diff situation, you know, it's turboed and I drift it. I'm not exactly nice to the car. Would be to get a 1.8 diff. Either a Torsen or a open diff and weld it. But I don't have the money for that because you need the drive shaft and the axles through the swap. It's gonna be around $1,000. Whereas I can just find another open 1.6 diff for a couple $100, weld it, slap it in, and probably blow it up in like a month, because that's just what happens. So either over the winter or next spring, I'll probably be upgrading to a 1.8 open diff and just weld it. The Torsen, I don't want an LSD, I just want to weld the diff, because you know, it'd just be better for drifting. It's pretty much a full-on drift car now. I mean, it's not crazy, but with the cage and the harnesses, the turbo, it's really not something I want to drive every day. And it seems like every modification I do now just kind of makes it more miserable to be a good driving car. Like, I just put fucking track brake pads on it, so if they squeak real bad when you're driving. And like, just that alone makes it really miserable. And I just got a nice new truck. New to me, it's an old Tahoe, but it's got AC and cruise control, which may not seem like a lot, but that's like a fucking Mercedes-Benz compared to the goddamn Miata. So yeah, video will probably end here. Thanks for watching. Next video, I'm definitely gonna be pulling the diff out of my Miata, inspecting the damage, but it windowed the fucking diff housing, so I'm assuming it's pretty bad. Well, it is bad. But I'll be pulling the diff and getting the new one in. Luckily, I've done it a few times already, so I know what I'm doing under there. I've got some spare poly bushings, brand new in a box, so I can just throw those in the new diff I get. New diff. And send her on its way.